So this is from Elizabeth Arden. So this one, Alpha Advanced Medical Aesthetics from Skin Desyre. Beauty Boost by Kyrie. It's a collagen drink. This is from Bello. Na-feel ko talaga guys na parang numipis. Asa na? Ninipis. Huh? Parang nagnipis na yun. Nipis. What's up, this friends, Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is in continuation to my previous vlog. As you can see, same lang yung suot ko. So, sinut ko siya. I shoot this. I shoot this one, guys, the same time with my previous vlog, yung question and answer ko, yung 2 months post up ko. So yeah, and today guys, I'm gonna do a haul sa mga natanggap ko from different brands na I worked with for the past few weeks or days. So yeah, after the rhinoplasty, so guys, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So eto siya. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So ngayon guys, isi-share ko sila sa inyo ng isa-isa. So let's see what's inside this one. So yung first na event na inatenan ko guys after my rhinoplasty, I think, yeah, this one, yung sa Elizabeth Arden. So they invited me sa nila sa beauty soiree and grand opening ng new store nila sa Rustan, Cebu. So ito yung binigay nila guys. Grabe, ang nice show guys, ang social. So ito yung binigay nila. Actually hindi pa ito guys ha. So yeah, I think this one. So this is from Elizabeth Arden. So let's do an unboxing. So ito guys, oh, diba? And then meron pala siya dito mga sulat-sulat. Ano siya? So pure ingredients, barrier, powered by 30 years na sila guys. So yeah. So yung Elizabeth Arden pala guys, it's an international brand na show sila guys. Yung mga products nila is luxurious talaga. And I'm so happy because it's my first time to try their products. So yes, yung laman niya guys, meron pala siyang lights dito. So i-on muna natin. Oh, diba? Oh, yan guys. Diba? Super pretty. So first guys is this one. The retinol ceramide capsule. So this one, oh, beauty blogger yarn. So this one guys, from Elizabeth, retinol ceramide line erasing night serum. So yes, so this is for nighttime. And then next one is this one, still a ceramide capsule. So ito naman siya guys is advanced light ceramide capsule strengthening and refining serum. So ito siya guys, oh. Ayan. Yan yung laman niya, mga capsule siya, tapos mga serum to siya guys, tapos ipapahid mo sa mukha mo. Charot. So yun guys, mag-search pa ako kung So next is this one. Look at this. So serious naman ito. Elizabeth Arden New York Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Day Cream. So ito guys, let's open this. Uy. Alam nyo ba guys kung magkano to? Pagka-receive ko nito guys, tapos tinignan ko yung price niya sa sa internet. Yung price niya guys, nasa 3,500 yung isa. 3,500. Ito is 6,000. Grabe, ang mahal. Tapos, dalawa pala yun guys. Kasi, kami ni Jude yung nag-attend doon. Invite kaming dalawa. And then, hindi lang yun guys. Meron din silang binigay na ganito. After the grand opening nung, nung event nila doon sa Rustan. So, ito yung laman guys. Ayan. So, here. So, may paypay siya. Charot. Diba? And then, next is perfume. So, ito yung perfume, guys. Wait lang. Ayan. Elizabeth Arden White Tea. Ba't di mag-focus? Charot. Kana siya. White tea. It's a, kuan guys, toilet spray. It's a perfume na sobrang grabe kahumot. Sobrang bango niya guys. Pangmayaman. Pangmayaman siya guys. And alam nyo ba kung magkano to guys? Hulaan nyo guys. Comment nyo sa baba kung alam nyo. I-search nyo na lang guys kung magkano to. Ayan. And then, ano pa ba? Next is this one. Meron din silang nilagay na Elizabeth Arden na white tea. Pure Indulgence Body Cream. And sobrang bango din niya guys. Super. Sobrang bango. Super as in. So, I have 2. And then, another 2 for this one. Retinol na ceramide capsule na light erasing din. And then, dun sa event guys, sa Beauty Soiree sa Sheraton. So, ito yung mga souvenirs namin. Diba? Sa photo booth nila. So, ayan. Yan yung mga pictures namin. Diba? Ang cute. Tapos, ano pa ba? Meron din ito. This one, yung beauty passport namin. Tapos, ito, yung nakalagay dito, basta, nandito yung mga event namin during the event. So, yun lang guys for the Elizabeth Arden. So, next one is, ano naman guys, yung sa Alpha Advanced. So, this one, Alpha Advanced Medical Aesthetic. So, di ba guys, sinabi ko kanina na nag-open sila ng new branch dito sa Lapu-Lapu. Tapos, yeah, yun guys. And, ito yung mga, actually, ito yung mga napanalunan ko sa mga questions doon. Kasi napaka-competitive ko sa mga questions nila. So, ito yung laman guys, ng mga token, ng mga ano nila, yung mga pag-gift nila. So, this one, hypoallergenic liquid soap. It is from Alpha Premier Medical Aesthetic. And then next is this one. Clenance, ambot unsa ni siya. Anti-acne daw, for acne-prone skin. So, this one. So, yeah. This is to reduce spots and blackheads. Diba? Oh my gosh. Alam na guys, since nung nagpa-rhinoplasty ako, marami nang nag-i-invite sa akin ng mga beauty, na mga related na mga brands. So, I think it's a good decision. Diba? So, ito din, meron din silang nilagay na oatmeal with goat's milk. So, ito guys. This is still from Alpha Advanced Premier Aesthetics. So, ito yan. Yung sabon. So, let's try this guys. Exfoliate daw to. Pang exfoliation. And then, this one is cream. White Ultimate Cream. Para saan kaya to? Diba? So, ang laman niya. Ito yung laman niya. Okay. Parang siya, same siya doon sa Elizabeth Arden na parang cream. Ito yung laman niya, guys. So, i-search ko pa, guys, para saan to. Ay, may nakalagay naman siguro dito para saan to. So, yeah, yun. Ang dami ko ng mga beauty products. And then, next is, last one, ay, here pa. Rejuvenating lotion. So, liquid siya. Ito. This is still from Alpha Advanced. Derma Views. Yay! Ang dami kong mga papaganda. Char. And then, I have this 3 na voucher. So, discount voucher, Botox, 2,000 off. And then, I have 2 na HA fillers, which is 20%. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one. So, if you want, guys, just comment down below because I'm gonna give this one. So, yeah, I think papag-giveaway ko siya. So, yeah, magpapakontest ako soon. So, stay tuned, guys. So, that's all for Alpha Advance. Ito yung mga nakuha ko or like yung mga binigay nila during the event. And the next one is this one. Grand opening din ng aesthetic clinic na bago. So, it's actually their first branch here in Cebu. So, this is from Desyre. So, ito yung token nila, guys. And, yung laman niya, nandito. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's open it. Taran! Ah, diba? So, meron silang nilagay na Essentials by Desyre Collagen Soap. Collagen Soap! Oh my gosh! And then, this one is Cleanse Refresh. Ayan. Wow. Wait lang. Ayan. Gently and thoroughly cleanses your skin, leaving it soft and supple. So, I have also, one. And then, this one is Cleanse Refresh. This one is Scrub Refine. Ano din to, guys? Pa-smooth and refresh skin by removing stubborn dirt and dead skin cells. And then, third is Mask Reveal. Moisturize and provides a lifting effect after use. Ayan. And then, last one is this one. Pure Sunblock Day Cream. So, ito, guys. Ayan. So, if you want to visit Desyre, guys, they are located at City Times Square 2, Mandaue. So, yeah, if you want na magpaano doon, so, marami silang services actually. Basta, ilagay ko na lang dito yung mga services na in-offer nila. Ito yun, guys, yung mga in-offer nila. And I've tried their deep facial pala during the event. I tried their deep facial. So, na-feel ko talaga, guys, na parang numipis. Asa na? Ninipis. Huh? Parang nagnipis na yun. Nunipis. Para guys. Parang lumit yung dito ko, guys. Oh, parang nagka-jaw ako. Charot. Pito, guys. It's true. So, ito dito. And then, nag-dyed laser din ako. So, yun, guys. I'm gonna also give you a clip there. So, if you want, guys, marami din silang mga event, mga ano doon, mga products doon. So, maganda doon, guys, kasi marami silang mga products din na pwede nyong gamitin aftercare, after your procedure na ginawa sa inyo. Then meron din silang mga warts removal, and then yon. So may paletter pala dito. This is from Miss Mine. So si Miss Mine, na-meet ko siya during the event. So, siya yung CEO ng Desyre. So, they actually have few branches na sa Luzon, sa Pampanga, yung I think main branch nila. Nag-expand sila dito sa Cebu. So, yun, guys, I'm excited to also work with them kasi, yeah, I'm gonna also try their products more, or products or services. So, yeah, I'm gonna I'm also gonna take you with me, guys, on that journey. So, may paletter siya. Thank you so much, Miss Mine. So, dalawa din to, guys. Yung isa kay Jude din. And then, ano pa ba? Meron din nag-send sa akin. This one. From Beauty Boost by Kyrie. It's a collagen drink. So, yeah. Let's open this. Ayan. So, may laman. Ito yung laman ng pinadala nila. So, this one, premium collagen drink. Ayan. Pa-collagen. May collagen siya, glutathione, probiotics, and everything. In melon flavor pala siya, guys. And then, meron din siyang free na ganito. Yung mixer or shaker bottle nila. Ayan. Diba? Ang cute. It's a flower. And then, mga letter. Something like that. So, yes, I think that would be all for now. And, meron pa pala isa dito. Yung last na event ko before this vlog. So, we attended the kasal.com's meet and greet with the suppliers. Media and suppliers meet sa Seda Hotel. So, yes, actually, yung expo nila, wedding expo, it will be the biggest expo here in Cebu. Wedding expo here in Cebu. So, that will be on June 30 to July 2. 2023. So, sa mga nagpaplano magpakasal dyan, so pumunta kayo sa Ayala Center Cebu kasi meron doon mga suppliers, mga reliable na mga suppliers like yung mga wedding planner, mga hotel for your wedding prep. So, it's just very timely guys kasi 'di ba? We're getting married this year and we're actually looking for suppliers sa mga hindi pa namin na mga supply na mga needed pa na mga supplier for the wedding namin pukon. So actually, ito din yung mga binigay nila. This is from Bello. Ayan. So Bello, yung niya, yung nakalagay ay yung yung sulod niya. Yung sulod niya. Yung nasa loob niya. This one, I'm not sure what's this. Ano ba to guys? Tell me what's this? So, ito yun guys. So, yun siya. Tapos, this one, this Philippine brand, mango chocolate na dried mango coated na mga Actually, I think this is from J Park. So, yeah. This is from J Park, I think. Tapos, meron din dito from Sky. And then, some souvenir from Kasalan at Cotillion 2023. This one naman, guys. Meron siyang pa-note. I mean, customized siya. Customized pala. So, as you can see, Daisy. And then, this one is Jude Rico. So, yeah. Parang, lagyanan ng mga cards or like mga resibo and mga lista sa utang, charot. So this is crafted by QKC, kasal.com, the Essential Filipino Wedding Guide. So yes guys, ito siya. So yun guys, if you're looking for suppliers for your upcoming wedding, so just go to Ayala Center Cebu. So yeah, more to siya guys. I think I'll end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed yet, so mag-subscribe na kayo. And if you've already done, please hit the notification down below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. So I'll just leave it down below sa description box. So nandiyan lang yun lahat guys. Oh, ano yun? Anyways, always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Desyre!